Do you see Jack having all that fun? Yeah. Jack, did you have the most fun? You did? Yeah.
There must be something in that that's quite refreshing for them to rub it on. Because everybody did it. Well, except him. He's just wearing the leaves as hands.
Oh my gosh. Jack. You are the cutest little guy.
No, he's just wearing it as a hat.